This is Papa B. We've got another unboxing. In fact, we have two unboxings. This one is a case, one of the original Detweiler cases, but that one is coming second because we're starting with this one. This is a very, very special unboxing. And so we're going to get started. It's time to open the box. So we're going to start with opening some tape here, and we're going to see what happens. I know what's in here. Some of the other people in here know what's in here. He has. I keep hearing, let me out, let me out. So he came all the way on this trip from Longmont, California, or Colorado, excuse me, Longmont, Colorado, but he's originally from Maine. He was born in Portland, Maine. So that might give you a hint of what's in here. This is the exact same box that we used to send Max away. Hang on.
It's the same. I thought it's the same box we got Oscar in.
No. Maybe.
Did she send him? No, it's Chester. Chester. It was Chester.
All right. Foam. Good foam. We're going to keep that foam. That's helpful foam right there. All right. Got here. Okay, that's some additional clothing right there. We'll come back to that. Lots of foam. Lots of foam. Yeah, buddy. All right. I have uses for that. And here I thought we were getting a new figure. All right, so we can move that out of the way. This is vintage, antique suitcase.
I like that. That's a good looking case. You ready?
And again, they've got him the opposite way. Interesting. All right. So, all right. So, here we have. Here are.
I'm so glad his head is covered right
I wonder where his hand covers are. They're probably in that little bag. All right. So, here we go. All right. Well, hello there. Hi there. All right. Why, hello. How you doing? His jaw just stuck. Yeah. All right.
Oh, he looks great.
So cool.
How's everybody doing? No.
He's probably super sick.
Yes. Hello there. I love you too.
Hi,
All right.
we are friends.
We're friends?
Hi.
Why, hello there. Well, this is the Theo character. Hi, Abby. This is the Theo character made by Austin Phillips. And he's going to be the new addition to the family. And we're still working on the name. I think I know what. I think we're going to call him Timothy.
Yeah.
but he might be Theo. I don't know. Theo, the theologian. I don't know.
That makes him sound smarter.
Yeah, it does. So if he would have to be the smarty kind of character, you know.
Boy, yeah, that's kind of what he's going to be.
Yeah.
So, what do you think, guys?
Gosh, he looks amazing.
Isn't he beautiful?
He's gorgeous.
Hi, Nana.
Hi.
How you doing?
Good. You gotta get your curl back on your forehead.
I know. We're working on it.
Okay.
He's been traveling. Give him a break. Oh, yeah. We got to fix.
Love that curly hair.
That's awesome.
Although the color.
Oh, yeah. Well, me too. That's what when I first saw him, I was like, this is amazing. He's a thumb control.
Is he really?
Yeah, he is.
That had to be by request because he
Had to be.
Standard he does.
Right.
Trigger finger.
But what do you think of that
I
look?
love it. Oh man.
What did you say? So that's going to take some getting used to, but he's absolutely amazing. So this is our new friend, and he's going to be part of our training program. We're training young people for the ministry. Look at that big mouth. All right, should we take his head out?
Yeah, absolutely.
It's gonna hurt.
So yeah, there's the.
Oh, whoa! It's his metal control. It's not the
Yeah.
plastic one. Yeah, that's what it is.
I'll try.
No,
man.
not this one.
Not this one.
Yeah. So this is our new friend, and oh, that face is amazing.
I love his bow tie. I love his whole outfit.
You
Yeah, I
should
did
see
too.
The other ones are great too. But he's got
So-
such a classy look.
Look at these hands.
Is it just the lighting in here? He's kind of a darker tone.
He is darker. He absolutely is.
Been out in California sun a little too long here, buddy.
Colorado.
I've been skiing in Colorado. That'll do that
Colorado.
to
Wow.
you. Yeah.
Does it get hot out there?
No, but the sun is bright off the snow. Yeah.
Snow tan.
So there's our Timothy. I think the Timothy name works. What do you think?
I love it.
That look is awesome.
Yeah. It's a great look. Thumb and the eye control on the center stick is so natural too.
Yeah.
Even if you've been doing a trigger finger, it's a natural. This right here, this.
Yep.
that- you're bringing your fingers together. That's a.
Yep. So this is our Timothy. He's going to be helping us with all of our training, and he'll be showing up at Children's Church pretty soon.
All
And,
right.
we're excited about that. So
Possibly teen class.
what's that?
And you said teen class.
Teen class, he will definitely show up. That's right.
Said the first person
Butter
would be
smooth
teen
controls.
Oh yeah.
Just yeah. So absolutely gorgeous. And so, hey Austin, how you doing? You know, each of these figures has a story. Sometimes the story is well known, and other times it just takes work to discover it. I'm very much a storyteller and use storytelling in my ministry and in my videos. I love uncovering the history of each of the ventriloquist figures. I like to know who made it and where was it made and how was it used and anything else special about the figure. Since we recorded the very first part of this unboxing video, we've discovered an incredible background story for our Theo figure. I wanted to include that story here to give us a complete history of Theo. As many of you know, the Theo line of vet figures is the creation of master figure builder Austin Phillips, the Phillips Puppets in Portland, Maine. I've included a link to the Phillips Puppets website in the description below. The Theo line is his full-size figure and is specifically designed in the style of the classic American figure carvers such as Frank Marshall, Theodore Mack and Sons, and Jack Coates. These figures cause you to instantly remember the great figures from the past, and they have a timeless look to them. After recording the first part of the unboxing video, I was able to talk with Austin Phillips about this figure And he told me an amazing story, and I just had to share it with each of you. Austin informed me that this Theo was a special order built for a professional magician who also did some ventriloquism. I purchased this figure from that magician. He had called Austin and asked him to build a custom figure for his act. He desired a figure that had that classic American ventriloquist style. He wanted one that had larger eyes and a real stage presence and could easily capture the audience attention. In June of 2021, Austin went to work on this special character. As you can see from the pictures on your screen, the process by which Austin built Theo, his level of workmanship in detail is truly a work of art and is the best that you will find anywhere today. Phillips puppets are the best in the vet figure business today. It is incredible to see the process of Austin's work as he progressed through building this incredible figure. Austin told me personally that something very incredible, that this is the very first Theo ever built. After this build, he changed the carving for the mold from which he made the other Theos that you see today. All other Theos have smaller eyes and the cheeks are a little bit different. This Theo truly is a one-of-a-kind build. The magician that I purchased him from told me that he had never performed with him, had never even given him a name. And Theo will be a very special part of our ministry. I've been looking for a special figure to play a role in our ministry. Part of what we do in ministry is the training of church members for serving in ministries in their local church. Much of my life has been spent training young preachers for the ministry. We call this training Timothys. This title comes from the illustration in the scriptures of the Apostle Paul training a young Timothy for the ministry. It is the principle of leadership training and ministry that you find in the scriptures. My ministry life verse is 2 Timothy 2:2, and the things which thou hast heard of me among many witnesses, the same commit thou to faithful men who shall be able to teach others also. This verse describes the principle of stewardship of information. We are to take that which we have learned from others and then teach it to others in such a way that they can teach someone else. We call this training Timothys. Theo will be the help in that training and teaching. His character will be that of a young man and a high school student or college freshman in Bible college who is training for the ministry. But he thinks he knows everything. I do. No, you don't. And but you've got to be taught. And so he will help us as we train young people for the ministry and as we encourage them to do what God wants them to do. He will also be used in our children's revivals, vacation Bible schools, and youth rallies, children revivals. And I believe that Theo fits this role perfectly. Now, we had intended to call him Timothy. What? Yeah, he was going to be Timothy, as that was going to be the name. But when I found out from Austin that this is the very first Theo, that's right, that we had to keep the name Theo, Theo the theologian. And so you will see him in other videos and in our services. And as we come to your place to preach and have ministry, you'll get to see more and more of Theo. That's right. And so we want to thank you for stopping by the Dummy Lab and watching this special unboxing. And we look forward to seeing you again. So thanks again for coming to the Dummy Lab. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.